Students, today we will study class 3rd chapter number 7 MSW logo, and in our previous class we have completed this chapter in a theoretical way. Now you can see if you are using MS logo, then how you can use in the practically way. Okay, first of all, what we have to do, we have to start MS logo. This is your MS logo. You can see here Microsoft Windows logo. Double click here, your logo will be open. See, the logo has been open here. I have told you. After that, this one is your main menu of the logo. This one, file, bitmap, set, zoom and help. This is known as the menu bar. After that, this one is your main screen or graphic window. Okay, this one is your main screen where this is your turtle. Where the turtle is, it is known as your main screen or graphic window. After that, this is your logo turtle at home position. The position of your logo turtle is home. Okay, after that, this is your commander window. This one is your commander window. Okay, commander window, this is your input box below. Then your command buttons are given here. After that, your recall list box. Now main screen is the area, this one screen where the turtle is. Main screen is the area where you can draw pictures. After that, the logo turtle moves on this screen. Then if you want to move the logo turtle, then or you want to draw any picture, then how you can draw your picture. Suppose that we have to move turtle in forward direction by giving a command, F. Here below you can giving the command, this is your input box, FD, then space 40. After that, enter. See, the logo turtle has been moved. Okay, FD 40. After that, you want to take this back, then BK space 40. Okay, BK space 40, then enter. The turtle is in backward direction. This is your BK. I have enter. First command is FD40, second command is BK40. Then if you want to move your turtle in right direction, then the command is your RT space. How many direction you want to it? Suppose we have to take a command in 90, RT 90, then enter. See, the turtle has been moved in right direction. Right, RT means right and 90 means steps. Then if you want turtle to move left, then LT space 90, enter. The turtle has been at previous position. Now what is given here? Draw a figure. There is an activity, lab activity is given on page number 77. Okay, you have to draw a picture here, and the picture is you draw a figure as shown using MSW logo, and the commands are given here. Okay, the commands are given here. FD 100, then RT 90, then FD 100, then BK 200. These all are commands given here. First of all, what you have to do, you have to make a turtle position at home direction. Okay, at home, what you have to do here, you have to use CS. CS means clear the screen, and your turtle is at the home position. Now we will do the lab activity, which is on page number 77. First step is FD 100. We will type here FD space 100. See, the turtle has been moved towards 100 steps. After that, RT 90, RT space 90, then enter. The turtle is in right direction. Then FD 100, the turtle moves 100 steps back forward. Then we have to type here BK 200, BK space 200, enter. See, this is your step. This is the way you can make a alphabet T here. Okay, FD100, RT90, FD100, then BK 200. After that you can type here CS, clear the screen. Then if you want to make a triangle, then what you have to do, FD 60 first, enter 60 steps, then RT90, RT90, enter 90 steps, then FD60, FD space 60, enter. Then you have to use home. The home command brings the turtle to the center of the screen, also called the home position. Right, when right here home. This one. This is the way you can draw a triangle by using which steps, FD60, RT90, FD60, then your home position. After that, your CS command is used to clear the screen. See here, I have used here CS command, then press enter, the screen will be clear. The command erases the drawing on the main screen. After the figure on the main screen gets erased, the turtle comes back to the home position. Then your CT command, the clear text command, your CT command, right here CT, enter. The text has been clear, which is written on the commander area. This is your commander area. After that, your HT and ST command. What is your HT command? See, HT command, we have pressed enter, the turtle has been removed from here, means HT means hide the turtle. After that, your ST command, which is your ST, then press enter, show turtle. HT and ST will be used, hide and turtle and show turtle. Now if you want to exit MSW logo, then what you have to do, type here by, BYE, BYE. I have typed here by, then press enter. The turtle screen has been, the MS Word logo has been exit from our screen. Okay, you have to practice, you have to do practical on your home if you have systems. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.